Hello, beautiful souls, welcome back. Today I'm going to bring you along with me making this Christmas theme espresso nails. I'm going to use red, the classic red and green, and also cat eye gel nail polish because I love it. It's very magical and shiny, beautifully gorgeous. I must use the cat eye gel nail polish. So for this I'm just trying to put some red and some green, and I'm trying to blend them, and after blending I'm trying to cure them, and next I'm going to blend the green to red to make this kind of gradient effect on the middle fingernail. Now I'm just blending it, and I'm adding some white French tip and the cat eye. Then we use the magnet to push the cat eye nail polish, and now I'm using a nail art brush to make a present design on the nail. It wasn't easy, that was my first time. Well, it wasn't perfect, but I'm learning. I'm sure I can do better next time. Next, for the thumb and pinky, I'm thinking I'm gonna add a French tip in red and green. After curing, I'm going to add another cat eye. After that, I decided to put some rhinestone on it, and voila, it's done. Now I'm going to pack them into the box, adding the logo, and then we put the stickers onto the box, peel it off, and we put the press-on nails. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. Bye!